In this video, I'm going to talk about how to delete all data from laptop in Windows 11 and how we can do this. So let's get started. So if you're planning to sell your laptop or Windows and you wanted to like a new one, this is what we have to do. So the first thing what we need to do is we have to go over here in the start, then we have to right click. Now from here, navigate to the settings here. Now, from the settings, we have to do few things in order to do it. So what you need to do is you have to go over here to the left side and click on the system here. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the recovery. And from here, there is an option called reset this PC here. So what you need to do is click on reset PC. And right now we have two options. One is keep my files, which means it will remove apps and settings, but all your personal files and everything will be there. Another one is remove everything because it's going to completely delete all of your data and all kind of things. So the purpose of our is to delete everything. So I have to select this over here like this. Now we have two way on how we can do this. So this is very important. There are two way how we can reinstall back the Windows. So one is a download from the cloud, which is download and install back. Another one is locally reinstalling. For the cloud download, it should be having at least 4 GB of data, and also make sure it should be having a good internet connection. And right now it is not having though. So what you need to do is suggesting you can go for local reinstall the Windows, and it's going to remove apps and files, and it is not going to clean the drive. It will delete all the files only from the Windows drive and reinstall Windows from other devices as well. Now go for the next, and once after it's successfully done, your PC or laptop will be just like a new one, and this is how we can do this. And I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.